Module 4, Legal and Other Factors. Unit 1, Legal Factors. As an entrepreneur, there are various legal considerations you need to have when you're setting up your business and when you're also planning for fundraising. One legal consideration is intellectual property. Intellectual property issues may result in potential lawsuits or disputes on IP, and this can also forestall your fundraising timelines. Patent. A patent provides a company with a 20-year monopoly over making, using, or selling an invention. The vast majority of patents are utility patents, as they protect the functional attributes of a device. Trademarks. A trademark gives a company a legal mechanism to protect a distinctive name, symbol, or tagline that identifies a company as the owner of a product or service. Trademarks usually ensure brand owners can prevent others from harming or capitalizing on the goodwill associated with the brand. Unit 2, Market Factors. There are various market factors that affect fundraising and your startup journey. These should also be considered when you're planning for your fundraising. One factor is recession. An economic recession may affect liquidity, that is the availability of capital into startups from funders. Other market factors that you could consider include recent acquisitions or investments in similar or related industries, as these may impact the valuation price during your negotiations, since potential investors would benchmark similar market investments to your fundraising round. Unit 3, Other Factors. There are other factors you should consider when you're fundraising. These include whether your business is registered in a sanctioned countries, particularly if you want to attract capital in US-backed investments. Other factors to consider include availability of funds from the places you're fundraising from, as well as the opportunity to raise follow-on capital from the investors you are targeting. Other factors you should also consider is where to be registered. For example, if you are a company in Africa, do you want to register in Mauritius for tax purposes, or locally, given other advantages you might benefit? Do you want to tap into, for example, the special economic zone statuses in various countries? Or even do you want to register offshore in Europe or in the US for other considerations that may affect your business pricing and opportunities that you can leverage on? Thank you.